Got one on the umbrella. And this one's pretty small. Your fish? Yeah. Oh, that was me. Oh, aviéntala allá. Like straight behind you. Like as soon as it hit the water. All right, this one's good. Mira. All right, now this one's gonna be my number 10. This one's pretty good. Oh, that was you? I thought that was a fish. All right, I got my 10. Yes, sir. All right, GG. Dang, so here's the fish that we got. I got 11, 10 striper, and then a sand bass, and then Leo got these 5.